So sorry to film it. I stopped. I'm going to film a second one. It's this one right here. That was the perfect shot. And here's my favorite one. The bathroom one here. And one is in here. It's right here. I'm so sorry for that strong shot. And here's my bathroom. So I filmed that toilet tomorrow. You get to see it. And here's the door closer, right here. Should select this. I hope you have a good day and find our channels. And make sure you like and subscribe to this video. I'm running out of subscribers, and make sure you like and subscribe and follow.